Welcome to the Meat Around the World Show.
Today out of Tortilla Flats, east of Phoenix, Arizona. Beautiful area.
More cacti.
Yeah. We're cooking chicken today. Chicken drumsticks and chicken breast. Where are we going in our travel section?
Well, we're actually going to London Bridge. Yes, I'm flying home.
Yeah.
No, there really is a real London Bridge in Lake Havasu City, and you get to find out all about that later, as well as a great donkey roaming Wild West town called Oatman.
On the Route 66.
Yeah, so lots to pack in today.
Absolutely. So stay tuned for that. All right, let's talk chicken here. Got this beautiful chicken breast here and chicken drumsticks, top of the line quality from Walmart. Whatever that means, we'll find out. Gonna open that. And yeah, chicken in America is very cheap, very cheap. I mean, this is like $2 for 4 drumsticks, and the chicken breasts are a bit pricier, maybe $6, $7. So, and that's the best quality. So yeah, there you go. Very, very, very cheap. Anyway, I'm gonna marinate these guys now. What I usually do is I take lemon juice, quite a bit. Here we go. Rid of all the seeds. Right. Then I use garlic. As always, I'm gonna get rid of that inner core kind of sprig here, sprout. Yep. And then I'm gonna chop it up, add it to the marinade. Okay, in you go. That's the garlic. Then I add some oil. In this case, it's avocado oil. And now I use a bit of thyme. I use a lot of curry powder. Then I got this Cajun spice mix, which I like very much. Thank you, Denise, for giving it us. I put some oregano, just a little bit. And pepper. And salt. Yes, there you go. Stir it all up. There you go. Nice little marinade. So what the lemon does is it makes it tender. We're gonna marinate this for a few hours. If you can, do it overnight. Yeah, salt always helps too with making it more tender. So I'm gonna just throw everything in here. Give it a good toss with my hands. There you go, Bob's your uncle. Just cover it up, put it back in the fridge, and let it marinate. All right, time to grill these guys here. First up, chicken drumsticks. They'll take a minute longer than the breast meat. Yep, the trick is not to overdo it here. All right, and while I'm grilling here, we'll take you to Oatman and Lake Havasu and the Route 66. Meet you on the other side. Enjoy the video.
After 2 lovely weeks with Roland and Denise in Phoenix, where we spent Christmas and New Year visiting friends and working on the camper, it was time to hit the road again. Our friends' travelling gypsy circus were 2 hours away, and we had arranged to see them.
Daddy's having fun. And the kids. Bye.
It was again time to say goodbye, until we meet again. And back on the road we were, this time heading north to Lake Havasu. It was a beautiful drive following the Colorado River upstream. The big attraction in Lake Havasu is of course London Bridge. Yes, this was the former bridge that spanned the River Thames for over 100 years in London. It was bought by Robert McCulloch in 1967 and shipped over to the States piece by piece in a plan to attract potential land buyers and develop the area in Lake Havasu. The plan worked and is now a popular tourist attraction. It was fun to walk around England under bright blue skies for a change, but it was time to find camp. We found a beautiful spot just outside of town and enjoyed a wonderful sunset. The next couple of days were spent running a few errands. Foremost, things for Zoe's new bedroom. We were back en route, Route 66, still heading north to Bullhead City. We had some shopping to do and our laundry. And just check out our camp spot for those few nights. On the foothills of the Little Matterhorn. Little did we know that Little Matterhorn was just a stone's throw away from the historic mining town Oatman. We enjoyed the obligatory gunfight show on Main Street, which happened to be the Route 66, by the way. Richie bought himself a new belt, and Zoe and I had fun feeding the free roaming donkeys. We continued our drive on Route 66 over Sitgreaves Pass towards Kingman, one of the most beautiful stretches of the old Mother Road that still exists today. The original Route 66 served as a link between Chicago and Los Angeles between 1926 and 1985. It got replaced by the Interstate 40 and is now only drivable in parts like these, little chunks scattered over 8 states and filled with memorabilia such as old gas stations and vintage cars.
Roasting bag.
Check out the chicken. Oh yeah. Oh.
That is good.
That is juicy, man. Oh yeah.
We've not eaten much chicken, have we, in the USA?
They're good.
Yeah.
They're good. I like it. So go for the hormone-free kind of chicken. And
More tomatoes.
yeah. Don't overcook them.
Cute.
Yep, we love wraps.
We have it like once a week.
Oh yeah.
Nice, easy go-to.
Yep.
And then you can refrigerate them, and the next day they're even better.
They're even better, yep, absolutely. So, bit of coriander, chicken. Here you go. Whoops.
Yeah, so we can't wait for chicken.
I like dark meat actually even better. Yep. because it's fatty.
You'll get the bone in a minute,
got
Zoe.
more fat.
Eat this chicken first and then you get to eat the bone.
Zoe, the bone. She loves the bones.
We usually give it her at the end of the meal. Okay, let's get into this.
Try this.
Taco. Nice to have it with chicken for a change.
Yep.
Beautiful.
I like chicken.
So guys, we're actually going to take the plunge and hoping to cross the border to Mexico
soon.
Next week.
Next week, yeah. So
well, you might see in a few shows' time.
you might see still like 2 or 3 episodes from the U.S., but we will cross in about a week's time. It's like mid-February now, 2021, and we're crossing probably in Mexicali and driving down to the Baja California. So that's the
plan.
That's the plan.
Unless they just say no and they turn around. Who knows? It's the adventure.
Yep.
Yeah, so
in other news,
yeah,
maybe you've already noticed it. We couldn't keep up the Sunday morning schedule, or for you guys in Europe, the Sunday afternoon or evening schedule. So we're just going to post whenever a video is ready. Could be on Monday, could be on Tuesday. And hit the bell and you'll get a notification. We're going to be traveling a little more now, and probably the internet will be not as readily available, and the whole spiel. Anyway, the videos keep coming, don't worry.
Oh, they will. Just make sure you hit that bell button.
Yep.
And on that note, why don't you hit the thumbs up as well?
And subscribe to our channel.
Yay.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Meet you around the world.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say goodbye, Zoe. She already got the bone.
Oh, yeah.